Hello guys! Happy weekend! Dito na naman ako. Kakasabi ko lang na hindi na muna ako mag-unbox, but I think we will be unboxing, not I think, but we will be unboxing another Pop Mart. We've been collecting Echo, hindi pa natin na kompleto. We're in MOA yesterday, so we had a chance to get one. Ito yung way ko mag-complete ng series. Gusto ko talaga mag-blind box. And na-influence ko na si Jin. So, pa-isa-isa na lang. And this will be our very first TED 2. Sana ito yung makuha. Pero may usapan kami ni Jin. So, there are 6 characters here. Itong 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pag yan yung lumabas, sa kanya yan. Pag itong 1, 2, and Secret, pag yan yung lumabas, sa akin yan. And, as you all know, we always play pickleball. And we just recently changed our grip. This is, I think, a normal thing for pickleballers. Lagi kami nag-change ng grip. Si Jin pa lang pala, mine is a bit dirty na kasi matagal ko na siyang ginagamit. So, I got a gift from Coach Efren from Chendesitas. Coach, thank you. Sabi niya i-review ko daw. So, ayun. Perfect na mag-unbox tayo. Mag-change ako. I'll use this later. I'm not sure if you change your grip regularly, pero ako, pag nag-change ako ng grip, especially if there's a coming, what do you call that? A coming tournament, I change my grip a week before the tournament para sanay na ako sa grip. And pag hindi mo kasi siya change, tendencies are dumudulas na kasi nawawala na yung, diba, grip nga. So nawawala na yung grip niya kasi kung matagal ka na hindi nag-change. So thank you Coach Efren. So timely to change the grip. But lately, yung favorite na grip ko yung nabibili sa Toby's. The brand is, I don't know what's the brand, pero hindi talaga siya nagsislip. And hindi rin siya shiny, matte siya. Pero kahit light color siya, hindi siya dumihin. Ayun. Ito, let's change the grip. That's how I do it. And speaking of tournament, may tournament kami next week. It's a tournament for the Kalbo. It's a Picklebo, call it no? Picklebo tournament. So, most of the time, we got mocked. We got, we are always joke about our hair. Na hindi naman lahat ina-accept pa nila yung pagkakalbo nila. But for me, sobrang tagal ko nang in-accept yung pagiging kalbo ko. And it's not all the time that we get celebrated. So, it's best as well to join the event para sa ating mga kalbong pickleball players. Ooh, I like this one. Parang pareho lang siya nung ginamit ko, but it's thinner. And, yeah, medyo madikit. I noticed some of my friends na nag-change, they start with this dito para perfect daw yung pagka ganyan. But for me, I always start with the regular one para pagdating sa dulo mas maganda yung kuha. Yan lang. Kapalit ko lang to saglit. I'll do this very quick. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ako nagpapalit. And guys, if you know a better way, let me know in the comment section para ma-apply natin at mas maganda yung pagpalit natin ng grip next time. Before, ginagamit ko medyo makapal pero babagal yung hand battle mo pag nasa ano ka, pag nasa harap, pag makapal yung grip mo. So, thinner grip para mas mabilis yung hand mo. Hindi ka matatamaan ng bola sa mukha. Ayun. Wow, I like this one. Super nice yung color. Sometimes I use loud colors para parang may buhay yung paddle. But this one, muted color, is also nice. Bagay na bagay sa paddle. And medyo mahaba nga lang, Coach. Kailang ikot na ako dito. Ayan. Didikit lang natin. Perfect. Ba, cute. Cute yung gray. Ay, sana pala inisang ikot ko pa dito. Anyway, that's fine. Probably I'm gonna change naman a week before. Pero next week na kasi yung tournament natin. So, dapat masanay na ako sa grip na to. Guys, if you haven't di pa kayo nakabili ng paddle, use my code. I have a code in Vatic Pro. Just use EdGives15. Hindi siya totally 15%. But EdGives 15 because I use that in most of the platform that I have a code. So Vatic Pro and Bread and Butter, all paddles of Bread and Butter, you can use my code EdGives15. Ayan, it's very easy to change your grip. I like it. I like it. Thank you, Coach. Malalaman natin yung performance na later. But I'll go on to my unboxing kasi I know most of you are completing your Echo series. So this is... Wala pa kami masyadong prayo kasi konti pa lang yung nakuha natin. Hindi pa siya complete. Ah! Cute! Look at you, no? You're super cute. Guys, medyo mabigat to siya. So if you are... if you want to get this one, if prayo nyo to, hanapin nyo yung medyo mabigat. From the head, yung bigat niya, kapag alog mo, wala siyang kasamang tunog other than the card and the silica, and then medyo mabigat. So if wala ka pa nito, yun lang yung sundan mo. Ito si Back Off. One of ini-aim ko na makuha. Perfect. Nakuha natin. Wow! Thank you! And our first ito matagal ko na itong gusto. I thought sobrang mahal niya, pero ngayon na siya nag-plush. So it's around 900 or 900 pesos, so not bad. Sana makuha natin sa Raincoat, si Vestbear, or si Secret. Or si Necktie actually, kahit sino sa kanila. Maganda naman sila lahat. Bilisan ko na kasi our game will be in 2 hours and it's a bit far. So this is a plush pendant. Pwede mo itong ilagay sa bag mo. Ganda sa kalaki. Wow, medyo malaki. Or maliit lang talaga yung mukha ko. Sorry ah. Sorry ah. Moment of truth. So hindi siya sa Raincoat. Jin!
Hello, you.
Ang swerte ko talaga. So, kailangan mo ko sino? So, it's mine. Ala! Nasira.
Cowboy.
So, it's mine. Perfect. Thank you! Ang galing ko talagang mamili. Pero hindi ako namili nito. Tinuro lang namin. Binigyan na kami ng random. Anything random. So, we have a new plush. Super nice. Now we'll have to prepare because we're going to play
accessories.
Pickleball. Next week we'll be playing at Pickleball tournament. It will sure be fun. So sama tayo next week. Let's go. Let's play. Good morning. It's another Pickleball weekend here at Tivoli Royal. Guys, it's our first time joining a tournament, me and Jin, for a very special event. I mean, this does not happen all the time. So let's go register. Cute.
Morning po.
Morning.
You're Edward.
Yes. Cute. Pickleball. Saan ka naglagay?
Ayun o.
Saan? Saan? Kalbo. Thank you. Super cute. Hindi pa nag-umpisa. Nag-enjoy na ako. And here's our loot bag. Mag-unbox pa ba tayo? Dalhin mo yung mukha natin.
Gago.
Ayan na. Here's the loot bags.
Gusto ko to.
Gusto ko ipakita. Ay, later na lang. Pero sobrang dami. Let's unbox that later. Here's our shirt. Si Kalbo. Cute.
Ang galing, nakakuha ko ng bola.
And then, nakuha na ako agad ng ball. Let's get one para sa practice later. Let's do this later na lang. Alright, let's go. Let's play Pickleball. Nakakatuwa. Nakaka-enjoy. Kasi, most people always mock the bald ones. Yung mga paubos na yung buhok. Ang lagi natin nakukuha, hoy kalbo, hoy panot, spendong, ano pa? Ano pang mga sinasabi? But this time, there's a tournament for all of us. Mga Shagilid, Top Gun, All Gun, Panorth, ano mang term nyo. So, kinakabahan na ako actually guys. You know, every time I play pickleball or every time there's a tournament, ang problema ko lagi is mental and emotion. Hirapan akong control na aking emotion. So, I'll try kung anong mangyayari today. Hello. Morning. Let's go. Jean, halika. Jean, halika. Let's manifest. Anong kukunin natin dyan later? Siyempre yung gold. So cute. Ayaw. Made it to semi-finals. Sorry hindi kami nakapag-video ng games kasi I want to concentrate. And it always happens pag nag-vlog ako while may game. Hindi ako nakakapag-concentrate.
Papa Jesus, malakas ako sa'yo. Sana ngayon lang ako mag-medal. Please lang. Kahit gold. Tapos kalaban namin nga mamaya next. Mga tennis ko. So good luck.
Sana pumasok kami sa finals. Pupunta talaga kayo eh. Pag may video eh. Very nice pa rin. Still play Battle for Third. Mag-medal tayo din. Papatayin ko kasi simula may video, dito kami nanalo. O, next, try natin. Baka awarding nyo na kami makita. Putang ina, totoo nga! Pag may video, sana hindi kami nag-video. Gold sana to. Yes. Thank you. Good luck po, good luck. Thank you. Puta.
First ever medal ka sa
Zero
tournament.
kami, 0-6 nung naglipat kami ng court.
Oh my
Tapos,
God.
nag-ano na sila, nag-0 na sila dyan, di ba? 10-7.
Oo.
Putang ina na yung nag-gold ako sa tournament, wala din yung video. Ngayon dapat, hindi na kami nag-video. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nice game po. Thank you.
Nice game po, thank you.
Awarding.
Yay! Lalagay ko lang ito. I'll just put it here. It's okay. Tuwang-tuwa ka.
Ito tayo, malakas ang ilaw dito eh. Okay. Alright, nakasilaw. Out of face. Nakakasilaw. Huwag na kayo mag-flash. Okay.
Thank you. Time to go home and use the salon. Sumakat yung likod ko. I need salon pass. Sobrang ganda ng event. Ang galing ng mga organizers. I think sayang lang hindi siya ganun kadaming kalbo. Actually, madaming sumali. Pero I mean, pag sobrang daming sumali, mas masaya kasi
Marami naman sumali ah.
yeah. I mean, ano tayo, di ba? Mas masaya kung mas marami ka pang mamimit. Like, isipin mo, kalbo from... Ito kasi para siya naging open. Kasi walang level. Walang level. So, kalaban namin yung advance, kalaban namin mga coach. And sobrang nakaka-proud kasi si Jin played for beginners before and then automatic. Ngayon, laro niya is open. So, ayun. It's time for us to go home. Kasi tomorrow is another pickleball day. I'll drive muna going home. And we'll see you in a bit. Kasi mag-unbox tayo ng loot bag. We're finally home. Galing sa week of playing pickleball, pero gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. I think this is one of the joy when we join pickleball tournaments kasi meron silang mga freebies, loot bags, and dun sa recent tournament natin, sobrang ganda na pagka-organize and sobrang generous nila. So, I like doing unboxing videos. So, let's not really unbox, but unpack what's inside our loot bag. Nakakatuwa. Kasi, tingnan nyo. Ilapit ko lang. Sabi, thank you and keep on shining. Pickleball 2025. So, the event was really a success. Congratulations to the organizers. Pickleball 2025, it was really a huge success. All of us had a great time. Anyway, going back, let's unbox this. Gusto kong itago tong tong thank you and keep shining. Sobrang natawa ako. So pagdating ko doon, may raffle agad. I get this TX40 pickleball balls from Toby's. Nanalo na ako agad. Thank you. And this drawstring from Pickle Place, talagyan ng sapatos or maduduming damit after playing. And a lot more actually. Sobrang dami. I mean, pagkakuha namin, binalik namin siya agad kasi sobrang bigat ng loot bag. I'm not sure how you pronounce this. Ceres ba? Or Ceres? Ceres. Let's search Ceres brand. Ceres juice. Meron tayong Australian's own skim milk. I like milk, so this is very good. Though I like full cream milk, more flavorful, more fat. We have Barilla and pasta. Perfect combination. Magpasta tayo this week. Thank you, Barilla. Barilla pala, hindi Barilla. That's our go-to brand as well. Hindi na tayo bibili ng tulip. We use this ham for breakfast or for making sandwiches. So perfect. Hamonilla, tulip, and Vienna sausage. Sa ating pasta, lagay natin. Pwede din. And pwede pala itong maging tote bag. O, lalagyan din natin ng sapatos or maruruming damit. Sobrang dami. This is my favorite. Nakita ko to nung nag-unbox si Jin. Salon Pass. Actually, nanghingi na ako ng kay Jin kasi hindi ko na-unbox agad yung sa akin. But, thank you. Malaking tulong for a pickleball tito, pickleball dad. We have Nanotech shaver. Hindi ko to masyadong ginagamit kasi hindi ko masyadong kinakalbo. May naiiwan pa rin. For both heads, hindi ko masyadong kinakalbo. But anyway, baka mag-gift natin to. What else? We have a Pickle Place sticker. Sobrang dami. Evian sparkling water. Wow. Social. Fit and Right. Magpa-sexy tayo. Ano pa ba? Wala na. That's it. That's it. Thank you so much, Picklebo. I really appreciate. Sabi ko nga, nung event, it looks like a Father's Day celebration because both Hercules and Picklebo players are all men. And yung mga Somali, I think, if I'm not mistaken, majority are family men. So it was just kind of late for a Father's Day celebration, but it feels like a Father's Day celebration nonetheless. But thank you so much. I had so much fun. I'll definitely keep on shining.